Missing a critical alert when your money is moving is exactly how you end up losing track of your budget, or even worse, missing a fraudulent charge that you could have stopped in seconds. You are here because your Revolut app is currently silent and you need it to start talking to you again. I am going to show you the exact sequence to fix this right now, and if you stick around until the end, I will give you a specific pro tip about the one notification setting you should actually keep turned off to save yourself a massive amount of battery life and digital clutter. Most people think their notifications are broken because of a bug, but the reality is usually much simpler. Think of your phone like a very strict gatekeeper. Sometimes, during a software update or when you first install the app, the permissions get scrambled, or the app defaults to a silent mode to avoid being annoying. It is not a glitch in the system, it is just a case of the app and your phone operating system not being on the same page about what is important. To get this fixed, open your Revolut app and look at the top left corner of your screen. You will see your profile icon, or your initials in a small circle. Tap that icon once. This opens your personal hub, where all your account secrets are kept. Now, I want you to scroll down slowly through the menu options. You are looking for a section labeled Notifications Settings. Once you find it, give it a tap to open up the control center for your alerts. This is where the magic happens, because Revolut lets you be incredibly specific about what you hear. You will see a list of different categories like account activity, security, and promotions. If you want the full experience where you never miss a beat, you need to go down that list and tick every single one of those boxes. Make sure the toggles are switched to the on position so they show up as active. This ensures that every time a card is swiped or a transfer lands, your phone will actually buzz. Now, here is that bonus tip I promised you to keep your phone from becoming a nightmare. While you want your transaction and security alerts on, you should almost always find the section for targeted marketing and suggestions and flip those off. This prevents Revolut from buzzing your pocket just to tell you about a new metal card design or a crypto coin you don't care about, which keeps your notification tray clean for the stuff that actually involves your cash. Now that your alerts are finally working, you should probably learn how to set up spending limits so those notifications don't tell you that you've spent too much at the end of the month.